Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your tools and USB. This is critical because a clean drive prevents install errors. Plug in an 8 GB plus USB and make sure you've backed up any files on it. Next, download the Windows 11 ISO and Rufus, or choose Media Creation Tool. Rufus gives more control. Once done, open the tool and select the ISO, pick GPT for UEFI installations, and choose FAT32 or NTFS depending on size. This gets you to the actual write step, which we'll do next. You now write the ISO to the USB. Accuracy here avoids boot failures. In Rufus, confirm the ISO image and set partition scheme to GPT for modern UEFI systems. Choose MBR only for legacy BIOS. Pick FAT32 when secure boot is required, or NTFS if the image exceeds 4 GB. Rufus can split files if needed. Click Start, agree to any prompts, and wait until the progress completes. Once finished, safely eject the USB, and then adjust the target PC's boot order to You finish by booting the target PC from the USB and following on-screen prompts. Pick language, connect to Wi-Fi if asked, choose the correct disk partition, and proceed with installation. Make sure to enter your product key or choose to do that later. If the USB isn't detected, go back and recheck boot order, disable fast boot, or enable legacy support. Sometimes recreating the USB with Rufus and different settings fixes it. After install, update drivers and create a restore point to secure your system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.